Hi, I'm Wendell with Meridian Fence. I'm here with my good friend Damien. We're here to introduce the Quantum series and show you some installation basics of the product that we carry. Okay, so we're going to start off by, we've got a string line set because this is a sloped fence, and so we just followed the grade all the way across. So Damien's going to go ahead and put brackets on. We start at the upper side of the hill, and we put it just below the string line grade. So he's going to put a couple brackets right there, or a bracket right there. Okay, so on this section, we're going to go ahead and use vinyl for the infill on our Quantum fence. This is dark sequoia is the color, and we're going to install it based on the manufacturer's recommendations. But we have the same U channel that will slide in and keep the panels from vibrating because we're doing a horizontal installation. So we have cut these in advance to fit between the two sets of rails, and so they just sit right on top of the bottom rail, and we just press them into place. And we'll do that on each side of the fence. And then we put it together just the same fashion that we've done the other ones, just typically coming down from the top. And they just slide down in place. And the manufacturer recommends steel inserts on every other picket, so we will just go ahead and put those in as we do the fence. Again, it's important to know what your manufacturer's recommendations are on the vinyl portion of your fence. This is a 7/8 inch thick panel, which the Quantum fence allows you to put basically any type of info you'd like, as long as it's 7/8 of an inch. So the last step that Damien is going to do is put the top rail on the fence. It just slides in place, so he'll go ahead and set that in place and then put the two little brackets on the top to prevent it from lifting out. And then all it'll be is cutting the post and putting caps on. Okay, so we want to just point out that you can also use this with different manufacturers. So this is an example of a couple different options that are available from different manufacturers. We've got Mocha Walnut, which is made by Homeland, and then we have Weathered Aspen, which is made by the same company that makes the Mocha or the Dark Sequoia. What we're going to do is we're just going to mark this post again, and we're just marking it for 2 inches above the rail, and we're going to go ahead and cut that. I will just grab a couple tools and get this marked out. Pops right off. All right, and we'll go ahead and set that cap in place. We'll just kind of give it a quick tap, and we have a completed section of fence.